Hey, what's up? It's your man Big John Restoration. I got my body guy went to pick up an Acura that was damaged. He's driving it back. Believe it or not, that's the Acura right there. The reason for filming this one is to let everybody know we do collision work. Wow, I can't believe he drove that all the way back from Greenbrier. Wow. Wow. What's going on, man?
Nothing much, man. This was a nice car.
What we got here?
It's Acura.
What year is this?
2013.
Wow. What she hit?
I have no idea.
Guardrail or something? When they told us to come pick the car up, we didn't bring the trailer because she said she had drove it from the scene. Okay, well, here she go.
I can't see how she drove it. Guess if you're careful enough.
Man. John Restoration, just to let y'all know we do that collision. I see the side airbags came out too. The front airbags ain't out, right?
No.
Just the side. Wow.
Seat.
The seats broke too?
Yeah.
Airbag and the seat came out too. Maybe it broke the locking mechanism. Uh-oh. Probably because of the damage the door ain't open. Yeah. We're going to have the insurance company come out for this one. Hopefully they don't total it because she doesn't want to be upside down the vehicle, or the vehicle might be paid for. I'm not sure. But a lot of times the people don't like to total them. They like to, repair them and get them back on the road. John's Restoration, y'all know how we do. The insurance company allows us to fix it, we'll fix it. Then we'll put the video up of it fixed and go from there. Y'all see it? Acura. See how the car supposed to look. This is how the car supposed to look. John's Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. 757-713-2277. Remember, we're not just custom, we insurance claims as well.